Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the more health upgrade works in the new Wasp event inside Grow Garden BCB update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the more health upgrade increases the amount of health your bees have during the combat. This allows them to survive longer against the Wasp and the Wasp King. Without enough health, your bees can get defeated very quickly, especially during longer boss fights. But with more health upgraded, your bees become much tankier and can stay alive for a longer time. And to upgrade it, guys, you need to go to the upgrade tree right here. Oops, sorry. It's very laggy. All right, open up this upgrade tree, and then you're going to click on the combat section. And if you want to upgrade more health, you can click on this menu. I've already upgraded to level 2, and I'm going to upgrade to level 3. And for the next upgrade, I need 10k honey coins. And this upgrade works really well together with lifesteal because your bees can survive and recover health at the same time. So if your bees keep getting eliminated too quickly, more health is definitely worth upgrading. Okay guys, and that's how the more health upgrade works in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!